Welcome back. In part 1, we covered 3 habits: water before caffeine, morning sunlight, and 90 seconds of lymphatic movement. If you've been doing those for a week, you're already feeling different. But here's the truth. You can do all 3 perfectly and still feel anxious by noon, still crave sugar at 3 p.m., still struggle to fall asleep at night. Why? Because 2 things are still running your day without your permission: cortisol, your stress hormone, and blood sugar, your energy fuel. In this video, I'm giving you the final 2 habits, the ones that tame your stress, stabilize your energy, and make the first 3 habits actually stick for life. Let's begin. Habit number 4 is the most underestimated tool in health: breath work. But not the floaty, mystical kind. This is a Navy SEAL technique. It's called box breathing, and it takes exactly 2 minutes. There's an old saying, where your breath goes, your mind follows. Ancient yogis knew it. Modern neuroscience proves it. When you're stressed, especially in the morning, your body releases cortisol. A little cortisol is good. It wakes you up. But too much? It tells your body to store belly fat, crave sugar, and stay alert when you should be winding down. Box breathing flips the switch. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. Here's a myth I want to bust right now. Breathing exercises are only for anxious people or monks. False. The Navy SEALs use box breathing before missions to stay calm under gunfire. If it works for them, it will work for your Zoom meeting. Here's how to do it. Follow the square on your screen. 4 seconds in. Hold 4 seconds. 4 seconds out. Hold 4 seconds. That's 1 box. We'll do 4 boxes together. 64 seconds total. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Box 2. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Box 3. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Your heart rate is dropping right now. That's biology. Last box. In. Hold. Out. Hold. Done. Open your eyes. Feel that? Your shoulders dropped. Your jaw unclenched. That's your nervous system finally trusting you. Do this before you check email, before you talk to anyone, before any screen. 2 minutes, 0 cost, and it will protect you from the next 14 hours of chaos. Now, habit number 5. This one surprises people because it's not about what you eat. It's about when you eat. Most people wake up and eat breakfast within 30 minutes: cereal, toast, oatmeal, fruit juice. Here's the problem. When you sleep, your body releases cortisol to wake you up. Cortisol naturally raises your blood sugar. That's by design. It gives you morning energy. But if you eat immediately, especially carbs or sugar, you add a second blood sugar spike on top of the natural one. Double spike. And what goes up must come down. By 10 a.m., you crash. By 3 p.m., you're craving sugar again. There's an old adage: eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. Wise, but incomplete. Modern science says delay that king's meal by 60 to 90 minutes. Here's a myth I need to destroy. Skipping breakfast ruins your metabolism. False. Delaying breakfast is not skipping. It's letting your body finish its natural morning process. The fix is simple. Wake up at 6:30 a.m., eat your first meal at 8 a.m., not 6:45, not 7. Give your body 90 minutes. And when you do eat, protein first. Eggs, Greek yogurt, leftover chicken, a clean protein shake. Add healthy fat, avocado, nuts, olive oil. Save the oatmeal, fruit, and toast for your second meal. This single change, delay plus protein, stabilizes your blood sugar for the entire day, kills 3 p.m. cravings, and supports everything else you're doing. Try it for 3 days. You will notice the difference. Now, let me show you exactly what a complete morning looks like with all 5 habits together. Wake up at 6:30 a.m. Do not touch your phone. 6:31. 16 ounces of water with salt and lemon. 6:32. Step outside for 3 minutes of sunlight. No sunglasses. 6:35. 90 seconds of gentle lymphatic movement. Bounce, twist, reach. 6:37. 2 minutes of box breathing. 6:39. You're done. Coffee is fine now. Black or with fat, no sugar. 8 o'clock. First meal. Protein and fat. Eggs, avocado, yogurt. That's it. Less than 10 minutes of active time. And by 6:40 a.m., you've done more for your health than most people do all week. The 90 minutes between your habits and breakfast, that's your golden hour. No stress, no rush. Just you, awake, calm, and in control. Before you go, 3 mistakes people make with these habits. Mistake number 1. Doing sunlight through a window. Glass blocks the UVB light your eyes need. Step outside or open the window fully. Mistake number 2. Holding your breath during box breathing. I see this all the time. People tense up. If your shoulders rise, you're doing it wrong. Keep your jaw loose. Let your belly expand. Mistake number 3. Eating too early on habit number 5. Delaying breakfast means no food for 90 minutes. Water and coffee are fine, but no calories. Let your body finish its natural morning process. Fix these 3 things, and this routine becomes automatic within 1 week. So here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Add just one of these 2 habits to your morning: box breathing or delayed breakfast. Do it every day. Just one. By day 7, it will feel strange to skip it. Then add the other. Comment below. Breath or delay? Which one are you adding this week? One word. I read every comment in the first 24 hours. And if you haven't watched part 1 yet, the link is in the description. Start there, then come back here. You don't need a perfect morning. You just need a better one than yesterday. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for my next video.